Hi, good morning, friends. I hope you all are well. So, today I am showing you how to cut your flowers which are going to die like this. Everybody knows by the scissor or by the knife, we are actually cut off all the flowers which are already died. But still, we have to know the infection may be very much effective for your plants. So it is better to first of all you sanitize your scissor or your knife, then only you can cut off your all dead buds, all dead flowers. So I hope, I know it is well known to each and everyone, but still we are not doing so. So here I am to showing you how to do this, how the process are going to do. So here is the sanitizer, you can see, and I keep it onto the scissor. Yes, it's okay. Now I am going to cutting off. If I am doing this plant, then I only cut off by this scissor, by the use of the scissor, only at a one time. Okay, let's start with this plant. I think you all have seen that there are so many dead flowers are there, and is this knife is only used only a time, only at a time. Okay, we are not using the same scissor to the other plants. Let's see how to do it. Yes, I'm cutting it off all my dead flowers. Okay, you can see, my friends, I'm cutting it off all my dead flowers because the rainy season is going on. So that is why all the flower plants are died, or sometimes it's become very bad due to this rain. Okay. Oh. Already I cutting off all my dead flowers. Okay. Now this scissor again I am going to sanitize it. Then only I can use it. And it has to be done each and every of your plants. If you want to cutting the branches, maybe you want to cutting the flowers, whatever maybe, but you have to keep in your mind that after using we have to sanitize the knife and or your scissor very well. Otherwise this infection is also causing harms to other plants. Why? Because I am telling you, look at my this plant. Look at my this plant. This plant. This plant having some problem, having some issue. We have to put some put some medicine over here to her, and then only it can be a healthy plant. But right now it is not a healthy plant. But after cutting all the branches, if I am using the same scissor to other plants, it's maybe the cause the problem of this plant may be transferred to another plant. So it is better not to use your knife, your scissor to other plants. Again, what I am doing here, again I am taking the sanitized bottle and put few drops here, and again rubbing it very well. Then I am going to use this knife to my this plant. I have seen that so many dead flowers are there, so there is no need to keep your dead plants for over a period of time. So it is better to cutting off all your dead plants. Okay, I have done. And then no, some more flowers are there. Yes. I think I have done. I need to remove these dried branches also. It is also very harmful for your plant. Yes, one more over here. I have to cut it off. So this is a simple scissor. You can buy a very good scissor or which is actually used to cutting off your branches. This is I am only used for my plants. This scissor. I'm not going to use this scissor to other in other ways. So it is only used to cutting the branches, cutting the flowers, dead flowers. Okay. So friends, I hope you can enjoy my video. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and also if you liking my my videos, please like my video and also keep watching my channel. Okay, till then, bye. Have a nice day to all of you.